Are you on the hunt for the perfect blender to elevate your culinary creations? In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable blender can make all the difference in your kitchen, whether you're whipping up smoothies, soups, or sauces. With an overwhelming array of options available, choosing the top 5 best blender can feel daunting. That's why we've curated a list of the best blenders on the market, tailored to meet diverse needs and budgets. Join us as we explore the top contenders, their standout features, and how they can transform your cooking experience. Keep watching to find the blender that's right for you. You can find all the product links in the description box below, and for a more in-depth analysis, please visit our website at yourpicked.com. If this is your first time here, please show some love by liking this video and hitting the subscribe button with the bell icon to get notified of our latest updates. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Breville Super Q Blender. Looking for a blender that truly excels? Meet the Breville Super Q Blender BBL 920BSS, brushed in sleek stainless steel. This blender delivers outstanding performance, making it one of the best models available. Its powerful 1800-watt motor stands out. That impressive blade tip speed of 186 miles per hour ensures quick results, effortlessly blending fruits and vegetables. You'll love how quickly you can whip up smoothies or soups. Noise suppression technology makes this model even better. Who likes a loud kitchen gadget? This blender operates quietly, so you can enjoy your kitchen experience without the annoying noise. The personal blender attachment adds a touch of convenience. You can mix drinks directly into the 24-ounce cup, saving time on cleanup. This intelligent base recognizes different jars, optimizing performance every time. With 5 one-touch programs, creating silky smooth blends becomes easy. Use the ice crush function for cocktails or the dedicated soup setting for hot, delicious meals in moments. 12 speed settings mean you have control over textures, whether making nut butters or fresh dressings. Adjusting speeds is a breeze, allowing you to explore a range of recipes effortlessly. Cleaning becomes simple with the innovative auto clean function. Using just water or detergent, you can effectively clean the jug and blades in no time. If you have a slight preference for sturdier materials, you might find the plastic jug a little less impressive. However, it's durable and serves its purpose well. What I love most is the versatility. From smoothies to sauces, the Super Q does it all. It effortlessly outperforms similar models. Perfect for both beginners and cooking enthusiasts, this blender promises satisfaction. Dive into the world of blending excellence and check out the Breville Super Q Blender today. Number 4. KitchenAid K150 3-speed. Looking for a blender that can do it all? Try the KitchenAid K150 3-speed ice crushing blender. It's a standout choice for smoothie lovers and culinary enthusiasts alike. First, let's talk about those included personal blender jars. They're perfect for blending your favorite drink and then heading out the door with ease. Simply blend, twist on the lid, and you're good to go. This feature offers ultimate convenience for busy mornings or post-workout refreshment. Crushing ice is a breeze with this model. In less than 10 seconds, you can pulverize ice for slushies or frozen drinks. Thanks to the asymmetric blade design, blending becomes more efficient. Multiple blade angles pull ice directly into the center for powerful results. Optimum blending is possible with 3 different speed settings. You can adjust according to your specific recipe, ensuring that even tough ingredients blend smoothly. An ice crush setting adds further versatility, letting you tackle any ingredient without hesitation. Another neat feature is the soft start option. This helps avoid splatter by starting at a slow speed and gradually increasing. It makes for a cleaner kitchen experience, especially when working with liquids or smoothies. IntelliSpeed motor control is another big plus. It automatically detects the contents and maintains the best speed. This means you can worry less about adjusting settings and focus more on enjoying your delicious creations. One minor drawback is the size of the 48-ounce jar, which may be too large for small kitchens. However, its capacity makes it perfect for meal prepping or entertaining. What I love most about this blender is how well it balances power with accessibility. You won't be disappointed by the versatility this model offers. Check it out and see why it's the best choice in its category. Number 3. nutribullet Pro 900. Energize your mornings with the nutribullet Pro 900 watt personal blender. This 13-piece high-speed blender mixer system offers a blend of power and simplicity that truly stands out. You'll appreciate the impressive 900 watts of power. Dense ingredients such as nuts, seeds, and kale blend effortlessly. Smooth, sippable nutrition becomes a reality in minutes. Most smoothies can be whipped up in under 60 seconds. That means tasty and healthy meals fit seamlessly into your busy day. Using this blender feels intuitive and easy. Push, twist, and blend. It's as simple as that. Whether you're a kitchen novice or an experienced chef, this device encourages daily use. Quick cleanup makes life even easier. Just twist off the blades, rinse, and pop the cups on the top rack of your dishwasher. Health without hassle becomes second nature. What makes nutribullet different? Its specialized blades extract maximum nutrition from every ingredient. Ordinary foods transform into nutrient-rich blends. You're guaranteed not only flavor, but added health benefits as well. Included in the package, you'll find everything you need to get started. 2 24-ounce mugs provide ample serving sizes, complete with lids and rings for convenient sipping on the go. A manual and recipe book inspire creativity and variety in your nutrition. One minor consideration involves the device's size. Although compact, it may occupy space on your counter. Still, this small footprint complements any kitchen without overwhelming it. nutribullet Pro is a standout option in the crowded blender market. Its powerful performance and user-friendly design make smoothies fun and healthful. Dive into a world of vibrant flavors and nutritious blends today. Check the link in the description box below for a more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so stay tuned until the end so you get everything. Number 2. Breville the Fresh and Furious Blender. If you're searching for a blender that does it all, the Breville the Fresh and Furious Blender is your answer. After extensive testing, this versatile powerhouse stands out among similar models. First off, its 9 one-touch programs and 5-speed settings make blending incredibly easy. Whether you want a quick smoothie or need to crush ice for cocktails, this blender handles it seamlessly. The even blending hemisphere performance combines heavy-duty blending with food processing tasks, making it a multitasker's dream. You'll appreciate the quiet and efficient blending performance. Designed with surgical-grade stainless steel blades, they stay sharp longer, ensuring consistent results every time. That means no more worrying about dull blades ruining your whipped soups or smoothies. Another highlight is the VAC-Q compatibility. This unique feature removes air before blending, resulting in smoother textures and richer flavors. It takes your blending experience to the next level. An easy-to-read LCD display helps track settings, offering complete control over your mixtures. Breville did not overlook convenience. The innovative Assist lid comes with a handy ring pull, making it simple to remove while keeping things secure during operation. However, if you need to blend larger quantities, the 50-ounce capacity might feel limiting. Still, for most day-to-day tasks, it performs efficiently. What I love most about this blender is its ability to deliver professional-grade results while keeping user-friendliness in mind. If you're looking for a trusty companion in your kitchen, consider giving the Breville the Fresh and Furious Blender a closer look. Number 1. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. If you're in the market for a top-tier blender, look no further than the Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. This powerhouse stands out with its professional-grade strength and versatility. One of the best features is the 5 program settings. Choices for smoothies, hot soups, dips, and desserts simplify meal prep. You can walk away knowing it will deliver consistent results every time. Pairing with the Vitamix Perfect Blend app expands your options. It offers 17 programs and over 500 recipes, perfect for every culinary adventure. Touchscreen controls give this blender a modern feel. They're easy to wipe clean, making upkeep a breeze. Variable speed control allows you to tailor textures, ensuring even the most delicate ingredients blend seamlessly. The pulse feature adds a handy way to achieve specific textures. Built-in wireless connectivity enhances functionality. This blender automatically adjusts to the container size you select, optimizing program settings. You can also create a customized blending system that meets your needs perfectly. One standout aspect is the programmable timer. This feature helps eliminate guesswork, automatically shutting off at your set blend time to prevent overprocessing. It allows you to focus on other tasks while achieving perfectly blended results. While the Vitamix A3500 is a bit of an investment, it delivers unmatched performance. Some may find it bulky, but that size accommodates its extensive capabilities. What truly impressed me is how easy it is to use and clean. For those serious about blending, exploring the functionality of the A3500 could transform your kitchen experience. Take the leap and discover what this exceptional blender has to offer. Check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date on all the products mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.